In the latest development, on September 9th, Defense Minister Pål Jonson announced Sweden's 17th military aid package for Ukraine. This package, worth 4.6 billion Swedish kroner, or about 400 million euros, signals a shift in Sweden's approach. Instead of just donating from existing stockpiles, the focus has shifted to procuring new weaponry to support Ukraine. A substantial portion of the aid, 2.3 billion kroner, or 200 million euros, is allocated to the Saab JAS 39 Gripen fighter program. While the Gripen fighters are mentioned in the package, none are being transferred to Ukraine at this time. The Swedish government has indicated that transferring these fighters is not currently feasible, as it could impact the introduction of the F-16. However, there is hope for future support, with plans to procure material kits for JAS 39CD models. These kits are crucial for building the new JAS 39E and could potentially enable Sweden to donate some of the older aircraft without dismantling operational units. Unfortunately, specific details about the material kits have not been disclosed. The 17th aid package also covers a range of military needs. It includes 40mm ammunition for combat vehicle 90s, camouflage gear for Panzerbandwagen 302s, and various other military equipment. Among the highlights are the Robot System 70, a portable air defense system, anti-tank weapons, winter gear, and marine equipment, all valued at about 500 million kroner, or $48 million, to address the threat Russia poses to Ukrainian shipping in the Black Sea. Additionally, Sweden will supply 6 combat boat 90s and 2 trailers for launching different types of boats to support the Ukrainian Navy. The package also features ground combat gear like grenade launchers, recoilless rifles, and small caliber ammunition, also worth around 500 million kroner. Looking ahead, Sweden has pledged to provide 75 billion kroner, or approximately $7 billion, in military support to Ukraine from 2024 to 2026. This future aid could include equipment donations, financial support, and funds for the procurement of defense equipment. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more updates, and thanks for watching.